We are also indigenous, they are also indigenous. If you could
The Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday attended a function at Raliang for 3 projects which will benefit the Laskein block area. These projects are to unveil the plaque of the Raliang Greater Water Supply Scheme, laying of foundation stones of Raliang Fire and Emergency Service Station, and inaugurated the Raliang Waste Site amenities under Swadesh Darshan Scheme Ministry of Tourism at Raliang. During the program, the Chief Minister distributed piglets, poultry chicks, which was under the Progress, and check under Focus, Focus Plus, Yes and NRLM CIF to the beneficiaries. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma said the government has put farmers as one of the top priorities. Producer groups were formed and around 4.5 lakh families who are into agriculture and other farming activities have benefited from the Focus program.
Who are part of different self-help groups. Close to 42,000 groups have been formed. Close to 400 plus crores has been distributed to these different self-help groups. And we heard the testimony and speech from so many of our women folks, and so many here are today to get more benefits from the schemes under the self-help group and NRLM program.
Chief Minister